Hello, and welcome to Chapter 7. Today we're going to be talking about writing numerical expressions. Now, when kids see the words, numerical expressions, they think that's some foreign language. But let's break it down. Numerical means numbers. That is all it means. An expression is just no equal sign. Right? An equation has an equal sign, expressions do not. So if I have 7 times 8 divided by 3, this is a numerical expression. That's not anything we haven't seen before, so we're good to go on that. Okie dokie. Here we have a nice little problem that we're going to do. Terrell went to dinner with his friends and ordered 3 tacos. That's probably important information. Each taco costs $2. He has a coupon for $1 off his purchase. So not $1 off each taco, $1 off each purchase. His purchase. The total cost in dollars, okay, of Terrell's purchase is represented by the phrase. That's just a short little sentence, right? It's not a complete sentence, so we call it a phrase. Multiply 3 by 2. Then subtract 1. Okay? So, multiply 3 by. So, if I'm going to break this apart, I'm going to change multiply 3 by into 3 times. Then subtract, so I need my subtraction sign, okay. So, write each part as a numerical expression. That just means with numbers and operation symbols. Multiply 3 by 2, 3 by 2, then subtract 1. Okay, so I have to make sure this makes sense, right? Because each taco, he's buying 3 tacos. They each cost $2, and then I have a coupon for $1 off my purchase. So I'm going to reread the question and make sure my expression makes sense. And then at the end it says add parentheses if needed. So do I want to take $2 or $1 off each taco? No, I do not. So I'm going to erase that. I do not need parentheses for this particular expression because I'm going to take $1 off after I have figured out how much my tacos cost. So I need to multiply 3 times 2 and then subtract 1. Does it say I need to solve? Nope, just says I need to make it into an expression. That's really what we're practicing today, is turning word problems into expressions that then we can solve using the order of operations that we practiced yesterday. So let's try another one. A ticket to a baseball game costs $25. Popcorn is $8. 3 friends, okay, I'm going to circle that because that's not a number, so it might not stick out to me. So a ticket is $25. Popcorn is $8. 3 friends bought tickets and popcorn. The expressions below give the cost for 1 friend and for 3 friends. Compare the 2 expressions without evaluating them. So if one person is going to buy a ticket and a thing of popcorn, well, that's expensive popcorn, it's going to be 25 plus 8. If I want to find out what would it be for 3 friends, notice I put parentheses around 25 plus 8, and then I multiply it by 3. Why do I need the parentheses? Because if I did not have the parentheses, here's what would happen. I would multiply 8 by 3, so I'd say I'm going to buy 3 popcorns and 1 ticket. Well, that's only get 1 person in and buying 3 popcorns. That's not what we want. So we need these parentheses to say we need 3 tickets and we need 8 popcorns. Okay, so let's, now that we talked about that a little bit, let's answer the questions. It says, Both expressions contain the same addition expression. Write the addition expression. So they both contain 25 plus 8. $25 for a ticket, $8 for popcorn. For 3 friends, the addition expression is multiplied by 3 because we want to do that 3 times. So the second expression is 3 times as large as the first expression. Now please notice how slowly I read through this problem. Okay, I did not read through it once and think I'm going to know how it works. I'm underlining things. I'm understanding the problem. Okay, if we don't underline things, we're probably going to do something like 25 plus 8 times 3, and then I'm going to forget what the question was asking, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to solve it over operations, and I'm going to buy 3 popcorns and 1 ticket. Like, that's not what I want to do. So I really need to make sure I'm reading carefully, understanding the problem so that I can be successful. Okay, let's try the next one. Write the phrase, add 7 and 11, then divide by 2 as a numerical expression. So my parts are add 7 and I'm going to divide by 2. Those are kind of like my 2 separate things, my 2 operations. I'm going to add 7 and 11. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So here we go. I'm going to write add 7 and 11, so 7 plus 11. Then divide by 2. So if I combine them all together, I'm going to have 7 plus 11 divided by 2. Now, do I need parentheses? Always ask yourself, once you're done writing your expression, do I need to add parentheses? Now, if I do not add parentheses, then I'm going to do this first. 11 divided by 2. Is that my goal to do first? No. First, I need to add 7 plus 11. So I need to have my parentheses around 7 plus 11. And then I'm going to divide by 2. And please know, this whole time I'm referring to the order of operations. MD, same level. AS, same level. Addition, subtraction, same level. Multiplication, division, same level. Okay? I'm always referring to this. For the rest of your mathematical career, we're always referring to the order of operations. Okay? So, I need parentheses in this case. Let's go to the next. Oh, actually, that is it for today. Okay, so we're going from phrases to expressions, numerical expressions, and then we're going to go backwards too. So we're going to go from a numerical expression, and how can you write that in a phrase? Do want to talk about these words though. So like if I want to add 7 and 11, I could write the sum of 7 and 11. If I wanted to multiply, I could write the product of 5 and 6. If I wanted to divide, I could say the quotient of 20 and 4. Okay? So remember these words. If I wanted to subtract, I could say the difference. I would probably say the difference, that's an R, between, I could say the difference of 20 and 11, let's say. Okay, so remember these words. Practice them often because they are very important. So when we're going from a numerical expression into a phrase, I would really like it if you would practice these words. So anyways, that's all that I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to practice this tomorrow. We'll see you later.